everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome. My name is Beauty. So guys, on this video we are going to be doing unboxing. Yes, so before we dive into this unboxing, I just want to say a big thank you for as many of you who have been following this page, who have been supporting me, though I have been off and on for some time now. Yes, so due to my busy schedule. Yes. So guys, on this video we are going to be unboxing my food hydration. Yes, so without just talking too much, let's just dive into it. Over here is the food hydration, which see so you guys can see this is how it looks. This is it. Yes, I got this from Lady. They brought it out from Lady, so I just run there to get one for myself. I said food dehydration. Dehydrate fruit, vegetable and herbs, meat and fish. So this is how it looks, and it's 350 watts approximately, and 5 startling trains, BPA free, and no preservatives. So we are just going to go ahead to open it. So this is what came with it. This is the manual in there. So I'm going to keep this later for reading. And over here are all the trends. We have another trend here. So let's just take this first and bring it out. This is my first time of having food dehydration, and over here are the buttons in case if you want mass or high or minus. These are all the trends. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With this, I think it's 5 trends. So I'm going to go through the manual, then just to know how to place it and all, because this is my first time of buying food dehydration. So I think it's going to be very useful in my kitchen, because I sometimes do dehydrate fish and all, sometimes even fruits. Yes, this is the reason I just get it for myself. Thank you all so much, because I love to dry my onions myself, especially in summer. We are in winter now, so when you try to dry anything in the sun, you can't. There's no sun at the moment, unless you go for oven or you use your food dehydration. So that is why I got one, and this food dehydration, so I can be able to dry my onions and all. I love onions powder and the ginger with garlic, so I can be able to prepare it. Thank you also so much. See you on my next video. See you guys on my next video, guys. Until then, remain blessed and stay blessed, and bye bye. And if you have not followed our business page, it is at Future Empire Organic Cosmetics. Yeah, you will find us there, so feel free to follow our new page. So that is our business page. In that place we talk about skincare, and we have our whole brand, and we produce our cream ourselves. Yes, feel free to order your cream from us also. So when I'm chance, I can be able to I'm going to try and link the link of my Facebook into this video, or you can also follow us on IG. Yes, we are also on IG at Future Empire. Feel free to follow Future Empire on Facebook and IG. You can also contact us on WhatsApp. We are there to serve you. Yes, we do our own organic products. yes, see you guys next time. Until then, bye, and remember